Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends, get hosting with PHP 8, X and SSL, then export Shopify data immediately. Export product, customer, and order CSVs plus images, don't delay. Make a 301 URL mapping spreadsheet to preserve SEO and document any Shopify apps or custom liquid snippets you must replicate. Once done, install a fresh Wordpress instance and WooCommerce. Make sure file and DB backups are ready before importing, because this step prevents costly rollbacks later. Now you import and rebuild. Use WooCommerce CSV import and map Shopify columns to WooCommerce fields carefully. Upload the exported images into WP content and update image URLs. Recreate collections as categories or tags so navigation stays logical. Configure tax rules, shipping zones, and payment gateways to mirror Shopify settings. Then rebuild any custom features using plugins or custom code, subscriptions, volume discounts, or product options, and test them in a staging site so the live launch won't break. Finish by importing orders and customers, keeping ID and timestamps where possible to maintain continuity. Once data is in place, implement 301 redirects from Shopify URLs to new WordPress URLs so search equity transfers, then crawl the site for broken links and missing metadata. Test checkout flows, payments, tax calculations, and third-party integrations under real conditions. If anything goes wrong, revert using backups and 301 mappings. One key troubleshooting tip: check plugin conflicts by disabling new plugins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.